Hi guys, how are you going? Welcome to today's maths. So we've been practicing skip counting by tens. On Monday we did skip counting by tens starting from 0 and we were doing all these cool actions and counting by tens. Some of you were clapping and jumping and running on the spot. Yesterday we were doing skip counting by tens but starting from a number that isn't 0 and we used your birthdays and then we counted from then, skip counting by tens. Today what we're going to practice is adding 10, so 10 more than a number. And we're going to do this by practicing some addition problems that have 10 in them. So when you click on the link, it'll bring you to here. And this is our Blooket game that we're going to play. The first thing you have to do is make a nickname. My nickname is going to be Lila. Then you click on the arrow, it'll take you in, and it says Tower Defense. So you click New Game, pick an empty spot, and then you can pick a map. I'm going to choose Sunny Meadow, so you can pick that one if you want. All right, it will ask you if you want a tutorial, and the tutorial tells you what to do. So it says your goal is to defend against waves of evil blocks. That means you have to keep this health above 0. So this is your health here. And on the map, the evil blocks are going to come from this arrow and walk along the path. And if they get to the X, you start losing health. And you're going to put towers to shoot them along this path to try to stop them. It says to defend against these waves, you'll need to buy and upgrade towers. It will take upgrade tokens to do this. So that's your money. For each round of enemies, you'll answer 3 questions, and these are the questions that I made you. And if you were paying attention, if you watched the song before this video, the questions that you will get are actually the same as the questions from the song. So maybe you might want to go back and have a practice of that song so you can get the questions right, because you get 1 upgrade token for every correct answer and a bonus token if you get all 3 correct. We'll answer these for you right now. We'll go into 3 upgrade tokens. All right, so they give you some tokens at the start so that we can use right straight away. Evil blocks will spawn at the arrow on the map. That's what I told you over here. And they walk towards the X, and your towers attack them. So it tells us to try and buy one. So I'm going to move me over here. So these are our towers. We have 4 money. This little number in the bottom. That's how much they cost. So I'm going to pick, which one should I pick? I'm going to pick the dragon. So I click on the dragon, and I'm going to drag him over here. I'm going to put the dragon there. So it says, great work. You can click on the tower to see its stats and to buy upgrades. Each block has 3 stages. You can pick 1 upgrade per stage, and the final upgrade is the most powerful. So you don't have to spend your money on buying new towers. You can upgrade the ones you already have. Make sure you upgrade your towers and buy new ones. All right, so when I press next round, you'll see that the blocks are coming out. And the goal is to try to survive 20 rounds. See, my dragon tower is killing all of the blocks as they come out. I did it. Now I get my questions. So let's have a look. 10 plus 13. How am I going to answer that? So it's 10 more than 13. And so what I want you to do is I want you to look at these numbers, this number here, the number that's not 10, see if there's anything that it has in common with the numbers down the bottom. So it's got a 3 as the second number. Do any of these have a 3 as the second number? They do. 2 of them do. This is 13. 10 plus 13 isn't going to be 13, is it? So what I want you to do is look at the first number and add 1 to it and try and find what the answer is. In that case, it's 23. You can even use your hundreds chart from yesterday if you want to help you to answer these questions. But we're looking for patterns. So 1 more than this is 2. So 20 is the answer. 10 plus 10 equals 20. So we're looking for those patterns.